Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Charity.
So, before mo lingkod, namin ito sa Tatara and then siya tingin sa tuwang klase na pagkawa. So, kabalo mo sa song of fruit salad song?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So, let's begin.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad.
Very good, class. You may now take your seat. So, nakoy ako sa mga naglawa, class.
Wala,
Very good. So, kayo lang may uksan na kayo. Good job ka pa yung mga kabalino.
G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job, good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job, good job.
So, karon na tayo pag-unga topic nga, itapo. But before na mo pa sa tuwang topic, natanaw sa tayo activity na buhaton. Para na mo yung idea gamay sa tuwang topic ang naglawa. So, ang tawag buhaton is, na may pictures diri and nag-pick mo o pictures na inyo ang i-identify it, asa siya nabilang, infancy, early childhood, or whatsoever. So, nag-pick mo og picture. So, very good, class. Do you think? So, class, do you think ang mga pictures na yung ibutang kay sakto siya?
Yes, teacher.
So, na siyang ma-gawan later yung sakto ba ginalihang answer. So, from the activity nga lang, ibuhat mo nga idea kung sa ang topic for today. Wala. So, our topic for today is, ano sa topic, class?
Stages of human growth.
Very good. So, our topic is stages of human growth. So, what's the kind of stages of human growth? So, human growth refers to the physical, emotional, cognitive, and social changes that occur over the course of a person's life. So, as we grow older, no, as the time passes by, nagiging mga changes na may tabo sa ato body karon, sa ato physical, emotional, or cognitive. So, nagiging mga changes para mo-grow ang isa ka tao. So, ang stages of human growth na siya yung 7 ka stage. So, first, we have infancy, 0 to 2 years old. So, physical, rapid growth, development of motor skills like sitting, crawling, or walking. So, parang na infancy, na-develop sila mga basic movements like sitting, crawling, and walking. So, cognitive, development of sensory and motor skills, object permanence, early language acquisition. So, dili nila ma-pitok ilahang first na word na maligawaan. Like, di ba, kasi mga bata, ilahang first na ito kayo sa mama, no? So, ngayon bata, papa, ilahang first na word na maligawaan. So, sa emotional attachment to caregivers, beginning of emotional expression. So, ang mga bata, dali silang ma-attach sa kung kinsa ilang permi kauban. So, if kanang ilahang caregiver, ilahang permi kauban, are silang ma-attach mo. So, it depends kung kinsa ilang permi kauban. So, next, kind of read class, kinsa hindi.
Early childhood, 2 to 6 years. Physical, slower but steady growth, improvement in coordination and motor skills. Cognitive, development of language, memory, and problem-solving abilities. Egocentric thinking is common. Emotional, developing a sense of independence and identity social interactions and play.
So there is a childhood, sa early childhood, mas i-improve na ang ilahang skills. So mas kung sa pag-infancy, ang ilahang na ito, kaya ang ilahang mga mama, papa, so there mas republikan gani, i-improve. And ang ilahang mga skills, pwede na sila mga dagan. So sa una, walking na mga ilahang city, so mag-i-improve na mga ilahang skills. Mag-i-hiri o ka-change ang ilahang skills. So next, we have middle childhood. Kindly read.
Physical. Steady growth, improve motor skills, and increase physical strength. Cognitive. More complex thinking and reasoning abilities, learning in formal education settings. Emotional. Developing friendships, understanding of social rules, and a growing sense of self-esteem.
So there is a middle childhood na sa 6 to 12 years old, dali na-force sa mga bata ilang mga relationship with their friends, ako nila ilang mga childhood friends, and mas like mga emotions na na-build together with their friends. So next is the adolescence. Physical, puberty, significant growth, spurts, sexual maturity, and changes in body composition. So the kind of changes na hinahod nila sa ako ang adolescence. Sa mga babae, mag-puberty na sila, sa mga lalaki, mag-grow taller na sila ng mga bungod and everything. So cognitive, abstract thinking, development of ability, and the ability to plan for the future. So at the age of 18, nakaplan na ba mo sa kanyang future? Like, wala.
It depends.
Depends yun dyan sa tao, no, kay, kasi karang at the age of 18, nagplanan kita kung sa itong mga pangandoy at ang mga goals in life. So, so sa emotional struggles with identity and independence, their relationships becomes increasingly important. So next is young adulthood. So, ano ito basa?
Physical. Peak physical condition. Low early signs of aging may begin. Cognitive. Continuing to refine a career and educational goals, forming intimate relationships. Emotional. Establishment of personal and professional identities, forming long-term relationships and families.
So there's a young adulthood, kung dito na sa adolescence, nag-plan kita sa atong future, right? So there's a young adulthood, ito lang i-implement, ito na-involve na taong action para ma-achieve na ito ang mga goal na ito ng plan. So next is middle adulthood. Kindly read.
Physical. Gradual physical decline, reduced muscle mass, and skin elasticity, possible onset of chronic conditions. Cognitive. Peak of career achievement, ability to focus on long-term goals. Cognitive abilities often remain stable or improve. Emotional. Evaluation of life goals. Midlife crisis may occur. Focus on contributing to society and future generations.
So there is a middle adulthood, 40 to 65 years old, na ang mga adult nakapila sila mga signs of aging, like kita kalimot. Kita gamit ka lang, kita kalimot. But how much more sila? 40 to 65 years old. So na sila yung mga sakit-sakit na na-feel, nagawas ng mga resulta sa ating mga when we are younger. So, lastly is the late adulthood, 65 plus years old. So, physical convenience, physical decline, possible health issues and skin changes, slower processing speed, but experience and wisdom often increase. Potential for cognitive decay, emotional, reflection on life, dealing with retirement, loss of loved ones, and adjusting to a more limited lifestyle. So, there is a late adulthood. Kaya na mga siguro sa mga lola na tulong kayo, naging sila yung mga, kalagitang memory loss.
Kalimutan.
Yung mga Alzheimer's disease, no? Siguro sa mga lola, mga experiences sila ng disease. So, when we are young, makalimutan ka ba, when tapos na tayo yung may possibility na mawala dito na ito na memories. So, nakasabot na ba sa ito ang mitakot ka ng lola?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, para ma-identify natin if nakasagot agad mo para sa kung tackle, another activity nga, buhaton. So, different pictures there yan. Yung i-identify if unsa ni siya. Infancy, adolescence, and yung i-explain if unsa yung mga characteristics niya kanang mahimo ani nga stage. Like, for example, sa infancy, unsa may mga basic movements, right? Makatrola sila, makasit, makatalk, no? So, divide that into group 1 and group 2. So, kinsa yung una mag-present?
Sir, I come in.
Group 2, sige, kinsa yung present?
Sister
Mr. Dexter, dapat. Pakita ang picture. Gusto ko na siya ng picture. Yeah, so what's yung characteristics na nasa infancy? Very good. Good. So sa infancy, nakabalo na sila sa mga basic movements like crawl, sitting, no? So, regardless of good job, Captain, Mr. No.
G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job.
Kasi kita sa group number 1. Yes, Miss Mariel.
So, ako ang picture kay sila adult
Yes.
One picture ka na makafeel na sila o ka ng sakit-sakit o ka ng para sa mag-isopi picture na mawala sa sila o ka ng memories.
Good. So, hindi yung see, nagaya good job lang si Miss Mariel.
G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job. G-O-O-D-J-O-B, good job. Good job.
So, very good class no kay ato ang identify nga namin na layers sa ato ang tackle karon. So, hindi naman ko isabtan sa ato ang topic karon mag-proceed na sa ato ang zaman.
Assessment teacher.
So, kindly get one more sheet of paper class and kanang mo 5 minutes para ang sila and kindly mind your own paper and keep quiet. Yes. I Anak class? Amoy 2 minutes para mag-answer. So, anak class?
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
So, mag-chat kita sa inyo ako class. So, number 1 kasi answer is Mariel.
Puberty significance grows towards sexual maturity and changes in body composition. Adolescence teacher.
Adolescence ka class?
Yes,
Very
teacher.
good. So, kaya na pa naman doon, nag-puberty na,
Yes.
sports na. So, number 2 is number Miss Batanay. Rapid growth, development of motor skills, like sitting, crawling, and walking. Infancy guide, nagmamahal sila mag-sit, and crawl, and walk. Number 3, Mr. Vincent.
Occurs at 2 to 6 years old. Early childhood.
Very good. Early childhood, no? Like 2 to 6 years
years
old. So, how about number 4? Miss Not.
Occurs at 6 to 12 years old. Middle childhood teacher.
Yes, middle childhood. Very good. Number 5 is that Mr. Dexter.
Occurs at 18 to 40 years old. Adulthood.
Yes, young adulthood. Very good. Class, this one have a perfect score.
Teacher.
Very good. Okay, perfect. yung mga kagalingon.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Very good, Gasto. Kana sa tuwag yung ito yung ganyan. Pero niyo, asay sa iyo. Wala sa iyo childhood, right?
Yes,
Asa
teacher.
sa iyo childhood?
Last ko pa sa middle adulthood, teacher.
Dili, teacher, ka na nasubos.
Asa? Kana?
Childhood teacher.
Very good, Miss Sir Shani. So, kani si middle
Childhood.
Very good. Ang kani din siya kay
Middle adulthood.
Good, very good. Guys, may nakasabot yun tulo sa ato ang topic. So, kay nakasabot naman ang tanan, magpasilita sa ato ang assignment. So, kay read us.
Design a timeline showing the stages of human growth.